Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to turn on or off the subtitle setting in this patch. Let's begin by opening the Settings menu. From there, make sure you're in the General tab. Scroll down. Here, in the Subtitles section, you can toggle subtitles on or off. Here is the place that will show you how the subtitles will appear. After deciding on the subtitles, simply press back and go back. There you can start your playthrough. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.